welcome back to True Knowledge Preschool's Story Time with Miss McKenzie. Today's book is called The Big Storm, a very soggy counting book. So this story is going to be all about counting things and a big storm. And this is by Nancy Tafury. She's the author. She wrote the words. So let's see what happens during this big storm. I hope these animals can find some shelter. I see a bird and a rabbit and a squirrel and a chipmunk. Here we go. The big storm. The sky started to turn gray. Dark black clouds started to gather. Bird flew for cover. Now there was one in the hill hollow. So here's the birdie. He's looking for cover, and he sees this hill hollow. It's like a cave. So he's going to hide in the cave to stay dry during the storm. The wind started to blow. Mouse ran for cover. Now there were two in the hill hollow. So the birdie, one, two is the mouse. Two friends in the hill hollow. Leaves started to swirl. Squirrel ran for cover. Then there were three in the hill hollow. One, two, three. Lightning started to crack. Rabbit ran for cover. Then there were four in the hill hollow. One, two, three, four. Four friends taking cover in the rain. Rain started to fall. Chipmunk ran for cover, and this made five in the hill hollow until, so one, two, three, four, five. Five friends are taking cover. Until thunder started to rumble and grumble. Woodchuck, raccoon, possum, and red fox all ran for cover. Now there were 6, 7, 8, 9 in the hill hollow. Skunk squeezed in and made it 10. Look at all these animals squeezed into this little hollow in the hill. They're all in the cave. Look at all this thunder clouds and lightning. It's a yucky storm. 10 critters huddled together, tight and snug, while the clouds gathered. The wind blew, the leaves swirled, the lightning cracked, the rain fell, and the thunder rumbled and grumbled all night long. But all these friends are safe and warm and dry inside their cave. Look at this yucky storm. Ugh. Good thing they're not out here. At last it was morning and the sky was clear, but all 10 could still hear a rumble and a grumble in the air. They hear it coming from inside the cave, because look at how nice it is outside. There's no rumbling and grumbling outside. I wonder if something's in the cave with them. Uh-oh. What might it be? So they turned and found the sound was coming from 2 bears. Rumble, grumble. Look at these bears. They're sleeping. There's a mama bear and a baby bear. They must be snoring to make the rumbling and grumbling sound. Out they flew before the bears got their scent. 10, 9, 8, 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Away they all went. And what did they find? The big storm had turned into a very beautiful day. Look at this pretty day. There's a rainbow. The sun is shining. The grass is nice and green and the flowers are blooming. What a beautiful day. The end. Look at these sleepy bears. And here's our friend the bird. He was the first one to find shelter in the rain. I hope you enjoyed my story today. I miss you guys. Have a great day. Bye, friends.